morning, everybody.
Goeiemorgen.
Guys, I just popped in to introduce this vlog, and guys, to thank you so much for watching, for liking the videos, and some for commenting. It has been a very great ride. I'm so happy, and I'm finding new ways to vlog and to show you like me living with my sister. I think that was a nice series to start. So I'll be showing you more of that. And guys, I'd like to have like your suggestions in the comments as well as to what you want to watch. That would be great. Anyway, we are on our way to church. It's Sunday. Today we are early. I hope I hope we make it on time this time around. But provided don't be too much traffic, because like I'm saying that. Provided there won't be too much traffic at church, because at this moment people are like, it's the start of January. The year. It's January. Everybody's going to church. Everybody's going to church, and it's already hot. Better believe that it's already hot outside. I didn't show you my sister's outfit and mine. I'm just wearing this cream dress, and she's wearing a grey one with a shirt in her head. Our hair is looking damaged. Crazy. It's looking damaged. It's looking insane. Anyway, guys, I was just saying that thank you so much for the engagement. Thank you for watching. And I saw that one of the YouTubers from Lesotho like commented on my vlog, my last vlog. I was so happy because my sister, actually I was not like advertising my channel because I don't know why I'm not doing it. I'm doing things different from what I did with JNM TV. So my sister just put like one of my videos on her stories on Instagram, and she saw it there, and then she went and watched my videos and commented. I was so happy. I don't know why I'm not advertising my channel. I don't know. It's just that I'm shy. I'm a shy person, so I guess I find it hard to like put my life out there. Guys, you're not going to hear me well because we have opened the windows. So I'm going to stop and just show you like us montage of us going to church. Yeah. Bye guys. Guys, like we said, we got to church at the exact time when it was getting out, and it's huge traffic. We have to find a way to like park the car somewhere where it's not inside the churchyard, because we are not going to go into church if we try this line. And it doesn't look like it's moving at all. Wow. We have packed so far away. The traffic over there is still not moving, so we're going to church walking. We have to walk to church. We normally pack right there at the junction, but you see everybody has packed over here, so we have to walk all the way here. Anyway, guys, we'll see you after church. Guys, I'm not sure if you can see me well, but I hope you can. The big new tripod is giving me more angles than the small one. So I've placed you near the window over the sink. I'm going to show you what my sister has made. This is our breakfast. Look at that, guys. Oh, the egg wants to run away there. So we are going to have this with, I don't know what, because we don't have drink. We don't have a drink. Oh my god. No cold drink. Maybe just water. Let's go and eat, guys. We are off to our grandmother's place. My sister has changed her outfit to this thing she's wearing, and I'm still wearing the same dress.
I've kept the cap.
And she's kept the cap.
I changed my earrings.
And I'm wearing this hat. It's so old and
It's giving up on life.
it is. I'm a bit short on stories, so I don't think I'll be like vlogging much there today. So
Much later.
Hi guys, I just tested this machine. This is apple juice. The last time I used it, I showed you that it had shaved off this part. Oh, I'm watching Tandim Zamo, guys. Let me go. I'm back from like turning off the TV. It was way too loud. I was watching Tandim Zamo with my sister. Anyway, as I was saying, the last time I was using this machine, there was smoke coming out. I don't know what happened. And I'm thinking it's because of the turmeric. It was like tough. I don't think it had juice in it anymore. That's why I put this ginger in water.
No, I put it.
But I told you to do that. My sister put the ginger in the water because my feeling was that it has stayed there for quite some time. It might just not have enough water in it. So I don't want this smoking up again. And I feel like it has worked. It feels
Lush.
yeah. So now I'm working on the apples and I've already made the apple juice here. I'm going to cut up those here. I'm going to cut up this two and the rest of the 3 apples over here. I've already made 2 apples there. I'll see. These 2 are staying here because I feel like this helps them to dry up faster. I could be wrong. This one likes to go like it trusts if it's not dry. So we try to squeeze it as much as we can. Kiss through. So we squeeze the water out and then we put it over here. It's for our papa pot. It needs that. Anyway, I'm going to cut up these fruits and the carrots and do the juice. That's what I'm doing. It was a Sunday vlog. I had a little bit of a couple of activities going, so yeah. Anyway, this is goodbye, and you'll get to see this vlog on Wednesday. I don't know what I'll have for you on either Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. I actually don't know when I should post the second vlog. Will I post twice? So whenever I'm not done on Friday, I don't post on Friday. I choose to post on Saturday. This time I didn't post on Saturday because the video was like loading so slowly on YouTube. So I don't know what was going on. That's why I ended up loading, like putting it on live on Sunday morning. So guys, if you don't talk to me, I won't know when you need the videos to be up. But yeah, anyway, I'm having this. I'm having this for dinner. Well, some of this are for my sister. I'm not sure if I'm going to give her this too. We'll see about it. Anyway, bye guys. This is me signing you off.